Hello everyone. In this video we'll be solving radical equation. Square root of 1 plus square root of x equal to x minus 1. First of all, we need to take care on the domain. As you see here, there is radical x. So square root of x, it cannot be negative, so x should be greater or equal to 0. And at the same time, the whole thing which is found to the left side, it cannot be negative, again greater or equal to 0, the whole thing. That means the right hand side, x minus 1, it has to be greater or equal to 0, because the left hand outcome, if it is greater or equal to 0, the same thing it should work from for the right side one, because they are equal. That means when we reshuffle, x should be greater or equal to 1. So this one, it contains the other one, because when we are finding domain of radicals, we have to take the intersection part. Therefore our restriction, the domain, it should be x greater or equal to 1. Don't forget that domain matters. So x greater or equal to 1 should be our answer under this interval. Okay, so that to solve radical equation, what to do? First of all, try to remove the radical by squaring and by reshuffling or by substituting. So for that matter, let us square both sides here. Square this left hand and the right hand side. Then what will happen? The radical remove, and then 1 plus square root of x is equal to x square minus 2x plus 1 remains here. Again, the very good thing here, what you can see, 1 will be cancelled with 1, and then x can be taken out as a common. So what left to the left hand, radical x is equal to x into x minus 2 remain. Still we can square and remove the radical again. So when you square again, x is equal to x square into x square minus 4x plus 4. I have this one. When I square the left hand side, what happened? The radical moves out and x remain. The right hand side, the x square alone will be x square, and x minus 2 the whole square will be, applying a minus b the whole square rule, it's going to be x square minus 4x plus 4. Now let us distribute and let us rearrange. So x is equal to x power of 4 minus 4x cube plus 4x square will have. Then collect it, x power of 4 minus 4x cube plus 4x square minus x is equal to 0. Okay, so what's next? The next step, we can divide each of them by x, because x should be different from 0. Actually our domain is x greater or equal to 1, so no need to worry here. You can divide each term by x to simplify. This will be x square. So what remains? X cube minus 4x square plus 4x minus 1 is equal to 0. Now we can regroup and factorize. Try to see x cube minus 1. It can be factorized as x minus 1 into x square plus x plus 1 form. Just only x cube minus 1. We can write them together. And the middle one, we can extract 4x common. When you take out negative 4x as a common, what remain? X minus 1 remain. Therefore x minus 1 and x minus 1 can be taken out as a common again. X minus 1, then in bracket what left? X square plus 4x, x square plus x plus 1 minus 4x remain, which is equal to 0. Then the product of the two is equal to 0, means one of the answer is x is equal to 1. But this number, okay, 1, does it work? You have to check how. By substituting in the original equation. If you bring 1 here, radical 1 is 1, so 1 plus 1 will be 2, root 2 left. To the right side, 1 minus 1 will be 0. They are not equal, so that the number 1 doesn't work, cannot be an answer. So we can ignore this and let's continue to the next one. The next part, x square minus 3x plus 1 is equal to 0. We do have, this is a quadratic, so we need to apply the formula to get x. So we know the formula, negative b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac over 2a. So let's do that. So x is equal to negative b means 3 plus or minus the square root of b square is 9 minus 4ac means just 4 the whole over 2. This means x value is equal to 3 plus square root of 5 over 2, or x value should be equal to 3 minus square root of 5 over 2. But the second part, this one, it doesn't work. The reason, our domain should be greater or equal to 0. And here, if you subtract 3 minus square root of 5, this means, you know, a kind of 2 point something. When you subtract, it will not, it will be like 3 minus 2 point something will be like 0 point something divided by 2. It will be less than 1, obviously. So it doesn't work. But the second answer, what we have here, x is equal to 3 plus square root of 5 over 2 will be the final answer. This is our solution set. So don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. Thank you for watching.